Good morning, Chef here with some more healthy cooking techniques and tips for you. I'm about to have breakfast and I'd like to share this breakfast with you. I call this the breakfast of champions. So this particular breakfast is oatmeal, and I like to top my oatmeal with some cinnamon, some blueberries, sliced fresh banana. This is approximately 3 ounces of dry oatmeal with maybe 8 ounces of milk. Cooked together, and then I always like to finish with a little bit of honey. Real quickly on this video, I want to touch on the fact that oatmeal is heart healthy and that diets rich in whole grain foods and other plant foods and low in saturated fats and cholesterol will help reduce the chances of heart disease. It's good for you. With that, I'm going to let you go. Subscribe to the channel and learn more healthy cooking tips. Oh yeah, it's going to be good.